Blessed be everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing an oracle card reading from the Queen of the Moon Oracle by Stacey DeMarco. Before we dive into that oracle card reading though, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path. If you want to grab that book, the link is in the description field below this video. If you want to know anything more about Wicca and witchcraft, tarot and shadow work, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. And if you want to know where to start your witchcraft practice, and you just don't know how to make your way through all of the information that's out there, I have a free video. It's called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. The link is in the description field below this video. So today it's Oracle card reading day, and I'm using the Queen of the Moon Oracle deck again. I'll put the name and the details in the description field. I like using this deck because I really like the pictures on it, and I find that with a lot of oracle cards, it can sometimes be difficult when you've got so many of them because to remember what they mean. And I find this deck, you don't really necessarily need to know what the cards mean from the book to read this deck, because the pictures are just so great. And the words on this deck are really helpful as well. It's just a really well constructed deck, I feel. So some guidance for today for yourself, or maybe for someone else. It might come through you to someone else. And the card for today is gratitude. And that's the card there. So gratitude. Where can you practice more gratitude? Or what have you got to be grateful for? Like, write it down. Write down at least 5 things every day that you're grateful for. And they can be the same things. They don't necessarily have to have 5 different things every day. But I found when you start to list what you're grateful for, what you have, it not only elevates your feeling wise, you start to realize you do actually have things. It actually helps you attract more of what it is that you're grateful for. And it creates a sense of more connection to yourself and the universe in general. If you are expressing gratitude to the goddess and or God, you can develop more of a connection with them because you're expressing gratitude every day. It also indicates, this card, that you have things to be grateful for. And even if right now you feel that there's a lot of weight on your shoulders, or that things are just falling apart, that things are like you're having a Tower card moment or something, or going through a Death card transition or transformation that involves loss of some sort, that you still have something to be grateful for. There's still a gift in this. There's a gift in everything. And being able to see the gift in everything, like even the horrible stuff, is really courageous thing to do. It takes a really strong person to be able to see the gift in something instead of wallowing in going down into a victim mentality of destroying your own life because you're blaming a situation or a person of something that's happened in the past. And while that may definitely have been a terrible trauma and a terrible thing, to stay in that blame, that victim blame mode, is actually only harming yourself. It doesn't actually help you in any way, and it means that the perpetrator still has power over you and that you're still giving your power away to them. And the healing journey is about taking back your power so that you're no longer in that state of resentment or feeling even the horrible feeling within that as well. So the gratitude, or for what this card is saying, is that when you can sort of see what you have, you can make your way out of those situations and take back your power from that person or from that situation, and basically fob it all off, essentially, over time. And it's by recognizing that there's lessons to learn in everything, there's opportunities to learn in everything that happens. And some of us come here with a path that is quite difficult to walk. And sometimes that's just simply because at the time we've chosen to walk the path because there's something in it for us to achieve within that walk, and things happen in the way that they happen to bring that about. So finding whatever it is that you do have to be grateful for, writing it down and doing it every day is the message of this card. This card is showing that there's always that helping hand is always there. So it's a matter of being able to see it and reach for it and take it, and not being afraid to take any gratitude or anything that's given to you as well, to be able to accept it graciously and not feel that you don't deserve it, or that you're not good enough for it, or that it makes you a bad person in any way. Being able to step into your yin energy and receive, because that is the yin energy is the energy of receiving and restoration. So being able to step into that and receive what it is that is given to you. So that's what I see the message of this card is. If you want to learn Wicca and Witchcraft with me, I have a 12-month course. It is called the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. Not the most creative name. And it is there to help you walk the Wiccan path in a way that's practical. So you're actually walking it and doing it. You're practicing every day and tapping into your inner witch and finding your spiritual connection to bring more of the good things into your life, to bring more peace and joy and happiness in your life through walking the path of the witch in a way that gives you a step-by-step way of practicing and allows you to take your time over 12 months or even longer to be able to adapt to the different processes, understand energy work, understand magic, do energy work, do the magic, work with the deities, work with the energies of the moon, and to really walk your path in a way that does bring you that peace, joy, and an empowered sense of self. So the link to that is in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.